This is what happens when you prioritize integrity and delivery. A client just received her label printing job and she didn't just say thank you because we delivered exactly as promised with zero gimmicks. She tested our sincerity, she saw the quality, and now she's ready to go all in on our production training. One good turn truly counts another. We don't just sell our prints, we hold you by the hands and walk you through your entire entrepreneurial journey. Ready to start your own business? Send us a DM today and let's get you started.
Thank you so much, sir. I've received it. She has brought it. Only say the guy, he didn't write the address well, so she suffered a little bit to reach there, sha. But it's okay. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. May God bless you, sir. So now to talk about the products you just produced. I think yesterday or the day before yesterday, how I'll get to also learn it and how much you'll charge me. Thank you. I appreciate.